Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can zoom in and zoom out any video or any image in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without wasting more time, let's go straight to my laptop. Alright, once you've got your video into the timeline, make sure you select it and then go up to the effect control panel. From there I'm going to scroll down to anchor point and click on it. Then I'm going to go over the screen, and as you can see there is a little circle at the middle of the screen. From there I'm going to grab it by clicking on it and hold it and place it over the face, because we want to zoom in and zoom out exactly where the face it is. After that I'm going to click anywhere where it is blank, so I will deselect it and go back to the effect control panel. From there I will go to scale, click on it and create our first keyframe by clicking on this stopwatch. After I've done that, I'll move the first keyframe at the beginning of the video and then move the cursor further down closer to the first keyframe. After that, I'm going to increase the scale so we can zoom in. After that, I'm going to move the cursor over here and create a third keyframe. And then I'm going to move the cursor again to the point where we want to zoom out and create another keyframe by pressing on this arrow, which automatically will reset the scale value. And like that, we have created zoom in and zoom out animation. So let's check what we've done. Okay, it's not too bad. We've got the zoom in and zoom out effect, but you can make the zoom in or zoom out as long as you like. For example, if you want the zoom in to last longer, for example, I'm going to show in a second, you can move the keyframes far away from each other like that. So when we play it again from the beginning, you can see that the zoom in it's a little bit slower. And the same will happen with the zoom out. It's up to you guys whether you want a quicker zoom in or slower one. So let's say that you want a quicker zoom in and zoom out, we can move the keyframes closer to each other, and that will guarantee us quick zoom in and quick zoom out. But to make the animation even better, we're gonna select the first keyframes, press the right button of the mouse and ease in, and then select the second keyframes, press the right button and ease out. Like that will make the animation smoother. So I'll play it again. And you can see the difference straight away. And that's it guys, that's how you can create zoom in and zoom out in Adobe Premiere Pro. And that's the end of this tutorial guys. I hope you get some value from it, and if you don't mind, please hit that like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you'd like to see more tutorials about Premiere Pro, feel free to check the videos at the end of this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.